WilloWare's Buy Picklist feature is in Manufacturing PowerPack, and it provides a link between the Manufacturing Picklist window and Purchase Request Resolution. From the Picklist, select Additional Buy Picklist. You're then prompted to tell it whether or not you want to purchase everything that's on the Picklist or only shortages. If you click All, it takes everything off the pick list and adds it to Purchase Request Resolution. From there, you can modify dates and quantities if needed and select vendors, create the purchase orders. We'll come back in a second and look at where this 125 quantity comes from. The other option is to purchase shortages. So you can see when you select shortages, it is looking at the item quantities maintenance for the site warehouse, and it's looking at available inventory, so quantity on hand minus allocations. To come up with the quantity to purchase, it's looking at a couple of different things. The first is it's looking at item resource planning. Now in this case, you'll see that these quantities don't quite match up to what's showing up over here, and that's because it's using the item vendors window. And if we look at quantity sites, we have a primary vendor assigned. So if we go to the item vendors window, you can see we have a minimum order quantity of 125. So when it's coming up with these quantities, it's first looking at item resource planning, and it pulls the order quantity modifiers, so minimum, maximum, and multiple. And then it looks to see if there's a primary vendor assigned. And if there is, it uses minimum, maximum, and order multiple from the item vendor. Additionally, it's also using the item shrinkage factor. So if we add an item shrinkage factor over here, save that, come back to the pick list, we'll do shortages again. And now you can see that it's applied the shortage calculation to this quantity and bumped it up.